I put this video together just to help people who are interested in the fourth axis for their Tormach 770, could be the 1100. I don't know if this will fit on the 440, but with that being said, this is the option that I came up with. I actually went on Tormach's site and looked at what they had to offer. And what they had to offer was basically this rotary. And it was $1,457.48. Well, a guy like me, I can't afford that. So what I did is I started putting things together, you know, and seeing how much it would cost if I were to attempt to do my own. So that's what I ended up doing. I ended up purchasing the rotary itself, and I purchased that, and all my other parts to this were either on eBay, Amazon, U-Tool, and there was a couple other little companies out there that sold different things, like this end cap right here. So I'm not sure what that one was. It's been a while since I built this. I'm pretty close to like 6 months now that I actually built this, and it took me 6 months to get this video together, only because I didn't really know how to say or do what I wanted to actually put the video together. And as you see, I ramble a lot, so and that's the other reason why I didn't want to put a video together. But I'm going to bite the bullet, and I'm going to do this video here for you now. So everything on this except for the 3-jaw in this plate and this adapter that I had to make. Everything that's the indexer, the motor, the cover, the wires, the coupler inside here. Damn, I'm not good at videos, by the way, so there's a coupler inside here that I bought. The stepper drive, which is the same exact stepper drive that we have throughout. This one I got lucky. I actually found this. Somebody was selling it on eBay because they tore apart one of their Tormach rotary tool changers that they didn't need. So that's where I got that from. All these wires included. So I just want to make sure you know everything that, and it's the same basically turnkey that you would get, including that. So don't worry about the tape. Everything is sealed. See this cover? See how it's... So I put this cover on here, and the wire itself that's inside here is the same type of wire that Tormach uses. So, I mean, I got pretty close to what Tormach sells you. But, you know, I hate to say, or hesitate to say, I should say, that this is exactly like Tormach's, because it's not. But it does the job. It does it very well. So, and another thing, a little note, Tormach, I love Tormach. I think they're a great company. I love their machine. I really like everything about them. And, you know, when it comes to working with us people outside of Tormach, they really do a great job. So with that being said, let me tell you how much this thing cost. This thing cost a total of $344.10. Now that bought me everything except the 3-jaw, the adapter plate that I made for the 3-jaw, and the adapter to mount the motor to the indexer itself. And the way I mounted the indexer was with 4 screws. So 1, 2, 3, and then there's one underneath, 4. So, and this is 2 pieces. This is a round piece and a square piece. And of course, with a machine like this, you should be able to make this. And that's what I did. I made this, this, and this. But everything else was $344.10. So it's possible. Even these clamps, this clamp and this clamp came with this in a box. So I put the extra clamps on just for a little more rigidity, but if you choose to go down this road, you can buy yourself a 4th axis indexer for $344.10. It's doable. I did a little bit of electrical. I'm not that good, and I did it. So now with that being said, I'm going to fire this thing up and I'm going to rotate it around for you and show you what, I can do with it. Okay guys, so I got a piece of stainless in here now, and we're going to run a hex on it, just so you can get an idea of what this indexer is capable of. So let's hit start over here. There's the program. And here we go. It's rotating back to 0 right now. Taking down. There we go. Let's get this out of the way. Come on, you. Nice cut. Beautiful. There we go. Bring it up to 300. And there's the program. And let's take a look at the end. It looks like a hex to me. So yeah, that's the way this thing's been working, and I really haven't had a problem with it at all. So, and it's, it's right on the money. Here we go, so 300. So, give me a like if you think this was interesting and found it valuable. Thanks.